Hi guys, welcome to Elena's house. Today we're gonna make apple crisp, so let's get started. First you wanna pour the apples into a lightly greased pan. So let's do it. Then you wanna dot the top with margarine. Then you want to pour the flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt into the bowl. Then you want to mix them all together. Add the margarine. Cut into make coarse crumbs. Pour the mix into the apples. Bake at 375 for 30 minutes. It's done when the apples are soft and the crumbs are brown. That looks really yummy. I just want to eat it, and it also really smells good. Top with ice cream or whipped topping. My favorite is aquafaba whipped topping. This is Elena. Out. Brought to you by Kids with Food Allergies.